Hello everyone, welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 28th of October. That means for today's morning assembly. National news: India Sri Lanka discussed new ferry route between Rameshwaram Talaimannar. DMK allies opposed voter list revision in Tamil Nadu, called it conspiracy. Tejasvi Yadav party expelled 27 leaders for anti-party activities ahead of Bihar polls. Rajasthan schools to follow one uniform rule with no ties order soon, Minister. Aadhaar, a proof of identity, not citizenship, Election Commission. Indigo started direct flights from Mumbai to London. Now, international news. Asim Munir, Shehbaz Sharif, great people, Donald Trump's high praise. US Navy lost fighter jet helicopter in South China Sea within 30 minutes. Musk may exit Tesla if $1 trillion pay plan rejected, shareholders warned. S. Shankar, Marco Rubio held talks in Malaysia amid tariff tensions. Now, sports news. Pratika Rawal ruled out of Women's World Cup 2025. Shefali Verma named replacement. Saudi Arabia on its way to become the most exciting sports destinations in the world. Leader of men Rohit Sharma got special award from Indian team management. Now news related to business. Madras High Court has officially recognized cryptocurrency as property under Indian law. Gold futures for December delivery dropped by rupees 1546 per 10 grams. That's all in news. Thank you.